This air conditioner looks relatively clean on the front. We got called in by the customer that it had this cleaned by an air conditioning company, and she said that it still smelt, and it smelt quite badly. So what we did is open up the back of the air conditioner to show her exactly why. It just hasn't been cleaned correctly, and you can see all of this biotoxic material still stuck on the back of the coil. That was because they weren't certified. They didn't use fit-for-purpose equipment to clean this air conditioner properly. But it looks clean on the front, and as a consumer, you wouldn't know. So please, when you get your air conditioners cleaned, please use ACWWA certified and qualified technicians to clean your air conditioners. All HydroKleen technicians are ACWWA certified, which means they must use fit-for-purpose equipment so this doesn't happen.